Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this Roadrunner that they traced, and it's got some gray in it, and we could do anything with it. But I've already done this, and they think it's perfect. They wanted a circle going around the Roadrunner for a logo, but not touching the Roadrunner. And they don't want these dash marks. This is pretty easy. We could get rid of some of this gray by ungrouping it, and my yellow is going to mess with me because of that. And then you could pick that yellow or pick that. And then you could take this and get rid of that. But you're not really going to be able to see them, what I'm fixing to do. Let's don't get rid of the rest of it. I'm going to take a rectangle. I'm going to take a smart fill color, any color. I'm actually going to change it to like blue so you can see it. And I'm going to fill in that rectangle. And then I'm going to fill in just the bird. There's our shape. Left click, right click. We have an outline. We have a blue bird or whatever. I mean, it's a Roadrunner, but it's going to be black. But you can't see that gray matter. You know, maybe the foot would be a little sharper, but who's to say? So for the one I'm doing it for, you can remove that gray if you don't think this looks good. Now, this bird is 8.5 inches, so we'll set our nudge factor to 10. We're going to go ahead and make it black, and we're going to move that over. But I'm going to hit the plus key and move it back, and then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go up to effects and contour, just 0.1 to the outside with rounded corners, and just see. I don't think it really matters because we're not really using the corners here. Now, with that contour in place, we can bring in our circle. And if you kind of start in the center of the bird and hold down the control and the shift key, that's not really where I want it. I want it more like right there. Now, I don't know. They did not say how thick the circle is. I just kind of guessed, and they thought I was right. So I thought I'd share this with you. I'm going to make it like 10 points. Now I'm going to go to object, and I'm going to convert the outline to an object. And then I can left click, right click. And now all we have to do is we've still got our nudge factor set on 10 inches. Get our smart fill on black. And let's zoom in here a little bit. And I'm going to take the smart fill and fill in that ring. Well, evidently I have to click on the smart fill. And as soon as I do, I'm going to nudge it over. I nudged it down. And then get all the other pieces. So now you have a ring going around a Roadrunner that's not touching the Roadrunner. And maybe I could, and this looks pretty cool because it's actually going around that foot. You could clean up the Roadrunner a little bit, maybe take a few nodes off, but you got to remember it's a foot. Everything else looks really good. These are feathers. How good do you want them to be? You could delete some, you could add nodes and put, sharper feathers, or pretty much do whatever you want, depending on what your customer likes. I like it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.